Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How you doing out there today? Alright guys, I'm back. This time I'm kind of doing something a little different here. You probably seen my videos before about PayPal shutting down accounts for these home-based business opportunities. There's something, it's not brand new, it's new to us, but we're bringing it to the forefront. I was just on two hangouts about this, guys. So this is getting ready to go viral because this is going to be your solution. If anyone out there has been affected by PayPal shutting them down, Stripe shutting them down, Authorize.net, any of those processors, and if you haven't been affected, guess what? You will eventually be affected because we all have in some capacity, okay? So it's a matter of time. So what you do is be proactive. Don't wait until it happens and then your funds are frozen. Okay? Do it now. Okay? So just real quick, I had two different people contact me, basically literally in tears that PayPal has shut them down and they had thousands of dollars being held, and they're not going to get that money for 180 days, guys. So this is serious, okay? So don't wait, and it doesn't have to be thousands of dollars. You may get your first commission and then they hold it, and there's nothing you can do. There's nothing you can say to them. There's nothing you can tell them. It's not going to work, okay? They've already made up their mind. Once it's shut down, you can't even call and talk to anybody about it, okay? So this is the alternative, okay? ORU. Okay, ORU is going to allow you to get a Visa card. It's a prepaid card, okay? It's $24.95 activation, $5.95 a month. That's it. No credit check, any of that. Okay, everybody's approved. The great thing about it is, and we're excited about, is it's going to cut out the processor. You're not going to have to worry about the processor. Let me give you a prime example. Okay, you know, most of my programs are member to member, right? So let's say you want to join me in my Press One Cash program, right? It's $297. So you go online, you pay the $97 with your credit card, no problem. Then it tells you pay your sponsor, okay? So for me, I'm going to say, hey, pay me in my ORU account. So you're going to already have one. So that's the thing. You want to go ahead and get your ORU card. So that way we'll just transfer funds from member to member. It's kind of like what PayPal is. You know how when you ask someone if they have a PayPal account, they go to their PayPal account and they send you the funds through that. This is going to be the new basically PayPal, but it's not a processor, so you're not going to have to worry about any holding your funds. It's just member to member. So what you do is just, and it has an app for it too. Okay, there's an app. So you can literally do this on your phone. So let's say you have the membership and I have the membership. And even if you don't have the funds in your ORU account, you can still use your debit account, transfer it into your ORU, and then send it over to me. We'll be going member to member from ORU to ORU. Okay? This is perfect. And for $24.95, it's awesome. Okay? So $24.95 one time and then $5.95 a month. That's it. And that's what the card looks like right there. Okay? I'm going to kind of show you. I just ordered mine yesterday. So I'm going to show you. Let me go over to the back office. Hang on a second. I'm in the back office. As you can see, like I said, yesterday I ordered this. So right here it shows you $5.95 monthly, and it was $24.95 one time to activate this. Okay, that's it, guys, and you're going to get your card in the mail. So I want to show you the back office here. I'm going to show you something here if I can get this screen to work. Hang on one second here. Okay. I had some problems with my screen. Okay, we're moving now. Okay, so as you can see right here, guys, this is right here where you're going to order your card. That's all I did is I ordered the card, and this is where your funds will show up once you start getting money in there. But I just want you to see how simple it is. We do have an app for it too, so let me see if I can, I'm going to show you on my phone here real quick. Okay. Can you see this? Let's see if you can see it here. Hang on. You can download the app. Okay, just like anything else that we have an app for. Can you see it? Okay. So, you have the app, but I'm just showing you on the computer. Right here, let's say you're in this and I'm in it. So, okay, you just click right here to send funds. You can see where you can receive funds. and you can purchase. So say if you want to add some money to your account, which is what you'll need to do if you don't have any commissions yet, and you need to send me, let's say, some send me the money for, say you're going to sign up with one of my opportunities. You don't have the money in your ORU yet because you don't have any commissions. So you just go here and click purchase, right? I'm going to show you, give you an example. This is just like all the other platforms like PayPal and things of that nature, but I think it's better to me. So you go here, see if we can get this screen to move. What happens is all your systems slow down when you get on live recordings. Alright, so I'm going to show you how that works. You can just use your debit card you have, and you would add the money, and then you would go back and click send and send it over to a member that's already in there. So it's pretty cool. Okay, it's asking me to log in. I'm not going to do all that again. But that's what you would do, guys. Okay, so let's go back. Hang on a second. Sorry about that. I am back. Okay, so since I didn't have any funds in there, it's not letting me show you what I want to show you. But at any rate, I just want to show you how simple it is that you're going to be able to get the card for 30 bucks funds. Okay, cut the processor out. So this is going to be the way to the back office, so that all we do is put our username in there as an option, and then we can use this as an option for you to receive commissions. Okay, this is the way to go. Okay, let me show you what the card looks like online here. I haven't gotten mine yet. As you can see, it was just ordered yesterday. Hang on. Okay, as you can see right here, this is what the card looks like. It's going to be a black card, okay, and it is a Visa logo, okay, and as it states right here, no credit check required to obtain a card. So everybody's approved. So just pay your $24.95 plus $5.95, okay, and then you'll pay $5.95 every month to maintain your account, okay. So this is going to be the way to go, guys. Once I get it in the mail, I'll show it to you. This is what you want to get, and you also, there's a small referral. I think it's like 10 bucks, but you know, that's just an incentive, but you can make a little income on just referring others to it as well. You'll this to you because this is the way to go, okay? PayPal is shutting people down. Some people's Stripes account have been shut down, so it's probably a matter of time, okay, before that happens. So go ahead and be proactive instead of being reactive. Get this ORU card today for 30 bucks, okay? Then you can start to receive your commissions and not worry about these processors, okay? So I'm going to put that link below for it. Thisworks247.com. Go there. Thisworks247.com. Get your card. If you have any questions, call me, but it's no big deal. Order this card so that you can circumvent your PayPal and Stripe account. That's basically the bottom line. And a lot of the home-based business opportunities are going to be trying to add this in to, until then you can receive your commissions this way. Okay, this is the all right. So I'm gonna put that link below for it. Get your card. Call me if you have any questions, guys. I'll see you on the next video. Subscribe to my channel. Click the notification bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos. Okay, and I'll see you guys on the inside. See you on the next one. Have a blessed day.